Hi, this is James from Square Internet with another WordPress tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can add posts to a page on WordPress. In other words, how you can insert your blog posts onto a particular page on your WordPress website. To get started, you need to open up a blank page on your website, and you need to be using a theme that uses Visual Composer, which is now called WP Bakery Page Builder, ideally, although you still might be able to apply the steps using non-Visual Composer page builders. So the first thing I'm going to do is use this blank page. So I've just gone to Pages and clicked on Add New. We're going to call this Posts on a Page. And I'm going to click on the backend editor, which shows me the Visual Composer page builder. I'm not actually going to publish the page, but I'm going to preview it to show you the steps I'm taking so you can follow along in this video. Okay, so while that loads, I'm going to use Visual Composer now to insert some posts. So using Visual Composer, it's actually pretty simple to do. There should be a module for posts or news within your theme. If you have a good Visual Composer based premium WordPress theme, there should be a few modules actually that will let you insert different types or variations of the posts on your WordPress website. So the first thing to do is to set up a row to hold our posts. So I've just inserted a row. And now I'm going to search for blog using the search box. I've got 3 modules here that will allow me to insert different types of posts. So these have been set up and styled through the theme. I've got the premium theme. I'm just going to click on the blog grid. Which will insert a grid of my posts. Actually, I'm going to use, to keep it simple, I'm going to use a carousel of blog posts. I'm just going to preview how this looks. So as you can see, I've now got 4 posts here. And as it's a carousel, I can click and scroll through them. I'm going to make this row full width, just so you can see what it would look like if we had a full width page, which I imagine we'd want. And then I think 4 looks a bit like overkill. So I'm going to look at the settings on this blog carousel module to see if I can find a way to display 2 or 3 posts rather than 4. So I can see here there's an items to display setting, so I'm just going to set that to 3. And then let's see what it looks like now. Probably look a bit better. Okay, so the 3 posts definitely looks a bit better, but I think we're going to need to stretch the content within the row just to make it look a bit better, and looks a bit weird aligned to the left, I think. Okay, that looks a bit better. Just going to put a bit of padding on the row though. And if you did this, you'd probably want to look at what it looks like on mobile devices, because that padding might be a bit overkill for mobile devices. Okay, so I think that looks a bit better. And finally, I'll just add some buttons on there. And there you have it. So I've embedded a blog post carousel of all of my blog posts on this page. And as you can see in the Visual Composer, there are different options on this blog carousel module that I could explore or tweak or change to style the embedded blog posts as I wanted. So really simple to embed your blog posts on a page on WordPress, especially if you have a theme that uses Visual Composer. Hopefully you found this video tutorial useful. If you've got any questions on it, feel free to leave a comment on the video. If you found it useful, make sure you give it a like and share. And thanks very much for watching. Hopefully I'll see you on the next videos. Cheers.